Hi everyone, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I thought I would give you an update on our camper remodel. I know some of you have been patiently waiting, so here you go. This is what we have done so far. Alright, so I'm going to first show you what we've done so far. And you saw when I was doing the painting. So I got all the coats on there that I wanted to do, and I had originally started with a flat paint and ended up doing the final coat in a semi-gloss, and I will show you that in a clip. And also we got the cushions done, and I'm really happy with them. Let me try and get a good angle. They're dark, so. But I did the bottom ones kind of like in a vinyl, so that when we sit down, you know, with our swimsuits on or whatever, we don't have to worry about, you know, getting wet or whatever. And then these are just a fabric. I wasn't too concerned about that, but that's done in a little bit lighter gray. I do want to thank my mom for helping me so much on this camper project and for helping me sew all the cushions and spending so many hours sewing and trying to fix the templates for the cushions and for finding the curtains that we needed. So thanks so much, Mom. And these are my curtains that we redid. My mom actually found these for me in the perfect length on, I believe it was Amazon. If it is Amazon, I will link it in the description box. And she got them so that I only needed 2 panels on this large window. I believe they were 54 inches in length, or in, what's it called? Where they go 54 inches across. Not sure why it's not focusing. Anyway, they're really pretty. As you can tell, I have the windows open, so it's really windy. But I just loved them. They were super easy. All we did was sew on the clips from the original curtains, and that was fairly easy, just kind of time consuming. I haven't gotten to those yet, the privacy curtains, but I'm not going to worry about that before our camping trip. But eventually I would like to do those in white. And then here's that really long cushion. It's done in a really pretty gray. I don't know if you can tell. But the bottom cushion we ended up just stapling to a board that we cut to match the size of the cushion. And then these we took the original, I guess that's kind of like a vinyl, on the back of the original cushions and just sewed it onto this fabric.
Okay. Am I in the way?
Nope, you're good.
Go into the fabric. Come out into the vine.
And I couldn't change out the hardware because they're kind of unique. But I thought it was fine. It's camping, right? Can't be all fancy. And then there's this one. And because we're not getting to the floor before our camping trip, I'm just going to clean up where I had painted. I was kind of sloppy when painting the cabinets and stuff. But eventually we're going to put down that vinyl plank flooring. Again, I'm not going to worry about it before we go. And this is that light that I had gotten from Goodwill. But yeah, I think, oh, and I have to paint that white. That's the little refrigerator cooler thing. I painted that with a heat resistant paint, a spray paint. That's the heater vent. Sorry, the lighting's kind of bad in here. And then we haven't gotten to the table yet. That's going to be in the next update. My husband and I are going to build a new table for this, something lighter. Also, this came off. If you have a pop-up, you know what that is. It holds down the sides of the canvas on the outside. That popped off and I have no idea how to reattach it, so if you have any ideas, let me know. Also, here's the little sink area. I think it's super cute, and of course you gotta have a percolator when you're camping. I will link that also in the description box. So yeah, that's where we're at so far, and I'm really liking how it's turning out. Alright guys, so that's about where we're at for now. We're not completely finished, but I'm happy with how far we've come, and I'm excited to take it on our first camping trip. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!